Without knowing what your graph is, the best I can do is give you an idea of how to solve this. You need to remember that integration is just area. So if I'm asked to find the integral from 0 to 2 on my graph, mark it off and look at what it is. In this case, it's a triangle. Remember, the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the base is 2, the height is 2, and 2 times 2 divided by 2, or 1/2 the base times height, is 2. So this area here is 2 units. Then the next thing you're asked is the integral from 0 to 5. So now I'm going to come over to 5. Now I already know it's 2. So I've already got that part done, 2.